Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pigi nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela. Hadin shita yolenter ka jingpen lut por ha ki program baper na do ka jing ya kop ruai ka jingpen I ki sap ki phong bat kumjo ka jing le ka sport na lor ka puli ka puthi ka ba ki lapen lut por man la ka sngi ki samla puli jang ka Alpha College of Arts and Commerce menta ka sngi hap teng ka jing ipo iping ki lapen kut no e ka tayo le kemen ki samla puli ne ka recreation week ha ka jing le kemen balapen long ha phalau jang ka school Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo. Hakatai ka sngi uba Meryl Bonds im UMLA ka Nongpo, ulawan bani shimbenta kum ukongsan, hakajing don lang uba Balajit Rani UMDC ka Nongpo, ikong Paidolin L Nonglaj EDSEO ka Ribhoy, upas the KB Kharbeteng Principal ka Alpha College of Arts and Commerce, ka kong WK Black Principal ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School, kinong hikay ki samla puli bat kiwe ki riorang ba. Lasak hiru hakatai ka sngi baki kena da ka jingkemen kila shimbenta ki jingshad karwai ka siaw bat kumjuru haka jingpen inam ya ki riam haka jing yakob Miss and Mr. Alpha bala shimbenta shedrhem di ki samla puli jong katai ka college ki bakan thop lang ya ki kanthai bat chenrang.
And the winners of the doubles category in boys, Lanbidung Bora and Vicky Sinde from the Blue Aquaman. Please give a big round of applause.
This is a small gift from my side, so I hope that God will bless you. Thank you so much. A small gift of 50,000.
My name is Ibani Shah Parleong, and I'm from class 11 Commerce. And my hobbies are modeling and dancing. And now I'm wearing Khasi traditional dress. Thank you.
Who are here in our midst to make this program a very special and meaningful one. We have our beloved Sri Marylebone team, or MLA. Shall we give him a big round of applause? He's like my younger brother, and we always discuss a lot of things where growth and development, especially where education is concerned, in Gribhoy district.
Spend your full week for many programs, and today you are waiting for the very important one, as I have seen in your program. So, recreational activities or extracurricular activities are meant for enjoyment, amusement, pleasure, make fun, and showcase your talent.
Staff for their hard work, for this vision, for this platform that you are giving to our dear student. It is
You have been through many challenges, many ups and downs in your life, many difficulties to thick and thin in your life, but today you have succeeded. From the lower level of the school to the UP, secondary, higher secondary, now there is Alpha College of Arts and Science. Who would dream that this day will happen? But you have a dream, your family has a dream, Kong W. Kebla has a dream, Pastor Keri Karpleng has a dream, Ba'ar Pibla has a dream, all your family members have a dream that this educational institution will come out beautiful. And I am proud to say, as a legislator of Nongpo, that this educational institution that has been produced so many students, bright students, it is here in the heart of Nongpo. And I wish that each and every one of you, you are like a family. You are like a family.